Hi there, and welcome to Innovative Stack. Today we'll be doing this Gemini scroll effect. Do not worry, it's beginner friendly. In the previous videos, we had completed the home section and this 3D card section. If you have missed it, then do check out on this channel. And now we'll be continuing with this stunning Gemini scroll effect. So without wasting time, let's get started. Like the previous videos, we'll be using Aceternity UI library. We won't be doing the installation steps, as we have already done it in our project. If you need any help in the installation, you can check out my previous videos. We have to create a file named Google Gemini effect. Navigate to UI folder in your components folder and create the file. Now copy the source code and paste it in the file we have created, and do not forget to adjust your directories accordingly. Now click on the code option. You don't really need to learn this code at all. We have to copy this code and paste it in our project. We will be creating a file named scroll in the components folder. Point to remember is that we are not creating this file in UI folder. Instead, we are creating it in components folder. Paste the code and adjust your directories and all set. Next, we have to import the component to our page file and app folder for it to be publicly rendered. Add the component name and import its source directory. Now run the command npm run dev and visit the local host to view the project. You can see that we have implemented the scroll animation, but do not worry. We have to adjust the styling according to our needs. Heading back to VS Code. Open up the file Google Gemini effect in UI folder, and you can remove the additional text part as we don't need them. You can also do any changes in the text as you wish. For now, I am removing this button as it don't really look nice on it. And here we go, it is really looking great. You can take a preview of its scroll animation. We'll also add a text above it. I'll add a div here and give it some styling. In that, create h1 tag and also give styling to it. h1 will be too big, we'll take h3 tag for it. And we're done with this Gemini effect. If you like the video, do hit this like button and do not forget to subscribe Innovative Stack.